Hey guys, let's do a quick unboxing of a new toy I picked up. This is the Dirac Delta double-edged tactical. It is a Blem from Microtech. That's what the grenade designates. It's my first Blem from Microtech, so let's take a look. Comes with the original box, all the original goodies. Inspected for a sharp edge. Awesome. Alright, so this is the Dirac Delta, the bigger one. I really do love the design of this. It does have the side firing button. So here again we can see Dirac Delta M390 steel, recent production, and does have the grenade that signifies it's a Blem. Now when I looked over this earlier, the only Blem I could see is right here on the blade, that little mark. Other than that, the whole thing looks great. Really cool knife, tactical hardware, so everything's all blacked out. Glass breaker, super solid lockup. And the one thing that's nice about the Blems is they do have a full mechanical lifetime warranty from Microtech. They're just non-returnable after purchase. Let me know what you think. Badass knife. This button in this position really makes a lot of sense when you're carrying in pocket, because very rarely do we reach in our pockets and grip on the thumb like the Ultratech, the Hera, etc. So I really like this Dirac Delta. It's really cool size and it does lay really thin in the pocket. So let me know what you guys think. Badass knife. Let me know if you guys have one or if you guys have the smaller Dirac.